Tom started running from point X in a clockwise direction and John started running from point Y in an anti-clockwise direction on a 400-meter track as shown in the figure below. They started running from directly opposite ends of the track at the same time. Tom ran at an average speed of 160 meters per minute, while John ran at an average speed of 200 meters per minute. How far would Tom have run by the time they passed each other the second time on the track? Give your answer as a mixed number in the simplest form. So we know that Tom is running from point X and in a clockwise direction, which is here, while John is running from point Y in an anti-clockwise direction, which is here. And the track has a distance of 400 meters. Since the full track is 400 meters and they are at the halfway mark, it means that this half of the track would be 400 divided by 2, which is equals to 200 meter. Then it says that they started running from directly opposite ends of the track at the same time. Tom ran at an average speed of 160 meters per minute. So Tom's speed is 160 meters per minute, while John ran at an average speed of 200 meters per minute. So John is 200 meters per minute. How far would Tom have run by the time they passed each other the second time? So they're asking for the second time, not the first time. So we know that Tom is in 1 minute, Tom would be able to cover a distance of 160 meters, while John in 1 minute would be able to cover a distance of 200 meters. Since they are moving towards each other, so if I have to draw this in a straight line and then moving towards each other, it means that they are actually closing up the distance as they run towards each other. Combining them, it means that 1 minute, both of them can cover a total of 160 meters plus 200 meters, which gives us 360 meters. So in 1 minute, both of them can cover 360 meters. But the first time they meet, they will only need to cover a total of 200 meters, as shown from here. So they only need to cover 200 meters. So we need to find out how much time did they take in order to meet the first time. So 1 minute is 360 meters. So in order to find the time taken for 200 meters, I just need to use 200 meters divided by 360 meters. And I will get 5/9 minutes. Okay, that means they will actually meet each other the first time in 5/9 minutes. Now, in order to meet each other for the second time, they will need to run the, let's say they meet each other here. Over here, since John is faster, in order to meet each other again, Tom will have to run a full round, while John will also have to run a full round before they can meet each other. By a full round, I mean if Tom is running in this direction, and John is running in this direction, and he's supposed to, and they meet here, you realize that both of them, once again, will cover a full round of the circuit of the track. So, and the full round of the track is actually equivalent to 400 meters. So, and their combined speed is actually 360 meters, which is shown here. So, in 1 minute, again, both of them can cover a total of 360 meters, and together, they are going to cover a total of 400 meters. So, to find the time taken for them to meet the second time, would be just using 400 meters divided by 360 meters. Remember that the 360 meters represent their total distance traveled in 1 minute, and we will get 1 whole and 1 over 9 minutes, meaning 1 whole and 1 over 9 minutes later they will meet for the second time. Now the question is asking for how far would Tom have run by the time they pass each other. So the total time taken for them to run in order to meet the second time would be the total time is equivalent to 5 over 9, which was the first time they met, plus 1 whole and 1 over 9, which is the second time they meet, and we'll get a total of 1 whole and 6 over 9 minutes. Now for every minute, Tom's speed is 160 meters per minute. So to find the distance traveled by Tom, I just need to use distance traveled by Tom will be equivalent to 106 over 9 minutes times 160 meters per minute. And I will get 266 and 2/3 minutes. Sorry, meter.